Okay, I'm here now at Piccolo. It's a small coffee shop dito sa may Shangri-La Shangri-La EDSA. And I'm having for today chocolate chip. Okay, dark chocolate chip and a long black coffee without sugar. So basically it's the chocolate chip na titingnan natin. Okay, tingnan natin kung anong magiging effect niyan sa ating blood sugar. My blood sugar is basically good right now. Medyo bumaba after having lunch, so it's now at 86. So we're doing good. So check natin, taste test. Okay. It's okay lang naman. Okay naman. Dark chocolate. I'm not sure my wife would be okay with this. Medyo pihikan siya, mataas ang ang level niya. But this is okay, not bad. So ayun. See you guys in 1 hour. Alright, it's been an hour and ayun, I just took one dark chocolate cookie and tingnan natin kung ano nangyari. Actually, tumaas siya. So, yan. If you see, it's around 122. Mababa siya in terms of the reading. Pero, take note guys, galing siya dito sa 86. So, medyo malaki din yung tinas niya. So, there. Okay, ingat-ingat tayo sa pagkain ng matatamis. Because isang piraso lang yun, ha? Isang piraso lang yun. So, ayan. See you guys next time.